Still in the ice rink in Frisco, Texas with the 2022 Tundra. I got the SR5 behind me. Let's get into it. I don't have confirmation on whether this is a lunar rock or the cement color, but regardless, it looks really good. And SR5 being one of the lesser tiers, for the truck to look this good, even on the more budget-minded trim levels, is pretty badass. Now, this has the TRD Sport package, as you can see, the decal on the back. Tundra blacked out on the side compared to the Limited that I just saw that is more chrome plated everywhere. SR5 even blacked out behind the window, and we don't have chrome around the windows here in this SR5. It's matte black around the windows. I think it looks better. I'm not a big fan of chrome. I like the color matched side mirrors here. It does even have 360 camera. Check that out. Now, I can't get on the inside of this model. It is pre-production and I just can't get inside, so you guys are going to have to see from the outside. We have cloth seats, good amount of detail in the cloth seats. Steering wheel looks to be very similar quality we see on the TRD Pro. This one actually has a 14-inch screen, which is surprising in one of the lower trims, so that's pretty badass. I don't see any options in there for heated or ventilated seats, but I don't know, maybe heated seats could be an option here on this SR5 package. One of the bigger things that strikes me is color matching here. We have color matched wheel fenders or wheel arches here. So even on the TRD Pro, they have this covered with the tactical camo design, but I really like the paint matched covered wheel arches. I think that's really, really cool, and that's unique that I've seen to this SR5 with this off-road TRD off-road package. Now, these are actually the base lights. They're not as ornate, and I can't turn them on either. But this is going to be your daytime running light here, and then inside we have reflectors for your LED headlights, but they're not nearly as ornate or premium looking as the ones we saw in the Limited, TRD Pro, the Platinum, etc. Beautiful lines on the side. They still look really, really good. Functional air vents there below the lights. And the grille here. Well, the handlebar mustache is kind of incognito, which is, I call this the surround that goes around the grille. It's kind of that handlebar style. It's paint matched here, so it kind of fades into the back. It's also paint matched on the TRD Pro. And what's cool though is that we have this kind of dull looking gray or matte finished black color, but we have TRD stamped in the front, Tundra stamped on the bottom. Here's your radar sensor, Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 standard. Like I said, this has the 360 camera, so even though this doesn't have, you know, like I said, the heated and ventilated seats, the upgraded headlights, you still have LED fog lamps built into the grille, the front bumper area. This still has a 14-inch screen. Oh no, we don't have leather seats, but man, those seats in there still look very comfortable, very ornate. And this is one of my favorite looking vehicles here at this Tundra Expo. It just looks very, very clean. It doesn't look over the top. It doesn't have all those extra claddings on the hood like you see on the iForce Max, which, I mean, it looks cool. You're definitely showing off. And I love the rear tail light on top of the rear window. It helps with aerodynamics, 20% more aerodynamic than the outgoing model. You see additional cameras up there for the 360 camera. This doesn't have the button here to flip down the tailgate, but that's where it typically would be. I don't even know if I can open this tailgate, but we'll try. Nope, doesn't, but Toyota logo here. Tundra, let's see if I can show you guys. Yeah, Tundra on top of the tailgate. And then when you fold it down, of course, people will be able to see the Tundra stamped in, not only from here, but when you fold down the tailgate. I just want to show you guys this base model. It looks really good. One of my favorite looking models here, and it's going to be one of the cheaper models you can get with this more base SR5 package. Signing out from Frisco, Texas. Thank you so much for watching. More coverage and driving impressions on the 2022 Tundra coming later. See you in the next video. Peace out.